of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, to the families who lost their young ones in the Hillside Endarasha Academy fire tragedy. We are pained by the loss of young lives in the Hillside Endarasha Academy fire tragedy. Success, Timothy Wamai, Emmanuel Maina, Kelvin, Samvin, Travis, Ferdinand, Kent, Timothy, Weru, John Komu, Lewis Machira, Roy Braddon, Roy Victor, Michael, Lewis Wairagu, John Monga, Collins, Bernard, Robinson, Emmanuel Kiragu, and Ernest were hard-working and with a promising future. As investigations continue, we commit to support the families affected by the horrific accident. We also call upon for strict compliance with boarding regulations to prevent the recurrence of such tragedies. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of the Hillside Endarasha Academy fraternity. May we be comforted by the word of the Lord in the book of Psalm 34, verse 18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Rest in peace, poleni sana. Signed, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. Modi na brera kuhoera bururi. Muturirikane mahoya-ini niguo. Eka voto ina gabisi. Nemukoi. Getagwo atia? Haya, rugamai. Jesu we unyendete